Welcome back to Quiz Time Info.
How good is your knowledge of the universe? Pack your bags.
The first human to walk on the moon was Neil Armstrong. The hottest planet in our solar system is Venus. The largest planet in our solar system is Jupiter. The Milky Way is a type of galaxy. Spiral. The Sun is mainly made up of hydrogen and helium. The red color of Mars is due to the presence of iron oxide. The planet known for its beautiful rings is Saturn. The largest moon of Jupiter is Ganymede. The first artificial satellite launched by humans was Sputnik 1. The closest star to Earth, other than the Sun, is Alpha Centauri. A year on Earth is caused by the planets revolution. The Moon takes about days to orbit Earth. 27.3. The boundary of a black hole is called the event horizon. The first planet discovered using a telescope was Uranus. The NASA rover that landed on Mars in 2021 is called Perseverance. The dwarf planet located in the asteroid belt is Ceres. The outermost layer of the Sun's atmosphere is called the corona. The first man-made object to reach space was V-2 rocket. The first woman to travel to space was Valentina Tereshkova. A galaxy that does not have a distinct shape is called an galaxy. Irregular. The brightest planet visible from Earth is Venus. The dark spots on the Sun's surface are known as sunspots. The first country to send a satellite into space was USSR. The phase of the moon when it is completely lit is called a moon. The smallest planet in our solar system is the gas responsible for Uranus's blue color is methane. The spacecraft that carried the first humans to the moon was Apollo 11. The first American astronaut in space was Alan Shepard. The planet with the fastest rotation speed is Jupiter. The first photo of a black hole was captured in the year 2019. The planet that takes the longest time to orbit the Sun is Neptune. The first space telescope launched into orbit was Hubble. The Kuiper Belt is located beyond the orbit of Neptune. The closest galaxy to the Milky Way is the galaxy Andromeda. The word astronaut comes from a language meaning star sailor. The force that keeps the planets in orbit around the Sun is gravity. The Sun generates its energy through the process of nuclear fusion. The first living creature sent into space was a dog. The phenomenon where light bends due to gravity is called gravitational lensing. The part of a comet that always points away from the Sun is the tail. The term used for a star that suddenly increases brightness is supernova. The planet that rotates on its side is Uranus. The main purpose of the James Webb Space Telescope is to study exoplanets and early galaxies. The area around a planet where its gravity dominates is called its Hill sphere. The galaxy that contains our solar system is called the Milky Way. The smallest dwarf planet in our solar system is Ceres. The first space station launched by humans was called Salyut 1. The first reusable spacecraft was the Space Shuttle. The planet known as the morning star and evening star is Venus. The sun's energy comes from converting hydrogen into helium. The dark region on the moon's surface is called a mare. The speed required to leave Earth's gravity is called velocity. Escape. The first private company to send astronauts to space was SpaceX. The first human to orbit Earth was Yuri Gagarin. The closest planet to the Sun is Mercury. The time it takes for Earth to rotate once on its axis is hours. 24. The Milky Way's central region contains a supermassive black hole. The boundary separating Earth's atmosphere from space is called the line. Kármán. The second man to walk on the moon was Buzz Aldrin. The International Space Station orbits Earth roughly every minute. 90. The first human-made object to reach interstellar space was Voyager 1. The phenomenon of a star dimming due to an orbiting planet is called a transit. The moon's gravitational pull causes on Earth tides. The first American woman in space was Sally Ride. The layer of Earth's atmosphere where most satellites orbit is the thermosphere. The faint light trail seen when a meteoroid burns up in Earth's atmosphere is called a shooting star. The dwarf planet discovered in 1930 is the Pluto. The active field around Earth created by its core is the field magnetic. The term for a star that has collapsed under gravity leaving no light is a black hole. The main asteroid belt lies between and Mars and Jupiter. The first country to land a rover on Mars was USA. The Sun belongs to which type of star? Yellow dwarf. The point in a planet's orbit closest to the Sun is called perihelion. The visible surface of the Sun is known as the The process of stars forming from gas and dust clouds is called formation. The energy that powers stars is produced by nuclear fusion. The time taken for light to reach Earth from the Sun is about minutes. 8. The first astronaut to complete a spacewalk was Alexei Leonov. The only planet that rotates clockwise is Venus. The largest volcano in the solar system is on Mars. Olympus Mons. The part of a comet that contains frozen gases and dust is called the nucleus. The planet with the strongest magnetic field is Jupiter. The study of the universe's origin and structure is called cosmology. The first photo of Earth taken from space was in the year 1946. The fastest orbiting planet around the Sun is Mercury. The spacecraft that explored Saturn and its moons was named Cassini. The space agency of Europe is called ESA. The Sun is classified as a type star. G. The blue color of Neptune is due to the presence of Methane. The age of the universe is estimated to be around billion years. 13.8. The first human to travel into space was Yuri Gagarin. The telescope that replaced Hubble as NASA's main observatory is the telescope James Webb. The outer planets are also called planets. Gas giants. The first artificial satellite to orbit the Earth was named Sputnik 1. The Milky Way galaxy belongs to a group called the group Local. The bright trail seen during a meteor shower is caused by frictional heating. The second planet from the Sun is Venus. The first person to step on the moon was in the year 1969. The Sun's gravity holds the planets in their orbit. The planet known for having the most moons is